I know you've been ordering for this beef stroganoff in the restaurants, and yet you didn't know it was this easy to make. So I'm here to show you how. Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse, and let's go into the video. We have these beef strips. I got them from Sky Meat Shopping in Tinder, and it's already shredded. No one has time, you guys. Anyways, we have some beef stock. I removed that one from the one that I was making. I'll post a video about that one later after this one. I have some heavy cream. I have some shredded oyster mushrooms. The button ones would do better, but those ones are going to do just perfect too. I have about a tablespoon of butter, some chopped onions and garlic, and then I have a garnishing herb, my favorite, coriander, or you can call it dhania. I have some curry powder. Beef curry will also do. I have black pepper. I have cumin. I have Himalayan pink salt. I have some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And then this is the cream I'm using. In case you want to go and buy cooking cream, this is the one I'm using. And that's all. That is all we are going to be using. Heat up your pan. I'm using some really big frying pan because it's not a big batch of beef, so there's no need to have like a whole huge pan, and also you do not want a small one because you don't want it crowded. Yeah, so put there some little bit of olive oil and then fry those onions and garlic until fragrant, loose and powerless. Yep, powerless. As we are doing that, I'm going to request you to subscribe if you haven't joined the family yet, because see, we put in a lot of time and energy to just help you catch up and make some good meals for yourself. And the least you can do is give us a subscription, or give me a subscription, give this video a thumbs up, and share with the friends that you think would like it. Anyways, before I go astray, add in the mushrooms and keep on mixing them until they are a little bit golden brown. If you're using the button ones, make them, turn a little bit golden on the edges. And then I seasoned these ones with some little bit of salt and added some stock because it was starting to get dry in there and I didn't want that one. And then we're just going to set these aside, because again, I actually think when you set them aside, the flavor continues to develop because they become more tender and more fragrant by the time you come back to pick them up. Anyways, on the same pan, we're going to go on with our tablespoon of butter and melt it. This time I was a little bit patient because I want to teach a lesson about patience when you're cooking. So I didn't help the butter melt by, moving it around here and there. But anyways, once it's all melted, we're just going to go in with our beef strips and we'll just, make sure we turn them around until they are all cooked and golden brown on the outside. You need not to crowd your pan, not a lot of beef strips. This is a really big round pan, and that is what you want. You don't want to have like a whole pile of beef in there. Season the beef too, and I don't know why it took me so long to get this salt cracker. Why was I suffering? Why? And so put there a little bit of salt when you can manage or you like, and then I'll put in my spices. Like I showed you, I have black pepper, cumin and curry powder, and that's all basically. Turn it around and make sure everything is coated, well coated, and then cook it down. Cooking is not supposed to be so hard. It's not supposed to be so hard. I put up a question sticker on my Instagram today, and a lot of people are saying it takes a lot of time. Sometimes you don't even know where to source stuff from. Sometimes you don't even know which spices to use. I realized, I don't know, maybe I'll just do a video explaining about some of the basics of cooking. But spices are not supposed to be bad things. They're supposed to help you somewhere in your health. If you read more about spices, you will know why you need to use what, where, and sometimes I just think maybe we don't look for that information. Anyways, once it's all reduced and golden brown, reintroduce the onions and the mushrooms, and then mix everything together properly and add there some beef stock. Now you can also use brandy here or wine and cook it down until all the alcohol is gone. But I made some fresh beef stock, and that's what I'm going to be using because no one has any free alcohol seated on the shelf. So bring it to a boil also, cover it so it doesn't evaporate so much, and this is when you need a little bit of patience and low fire. You don't want it to boil pack like immediately and it all evaporates and gets done. You need to use some little bit of fire and hold on, go on TikTok, go on YouTube, do something, be a little bit engaged so you don't have to rush the beef. And once the liquid has reduced, we're going to go in with our cooking cream. If you have sour cream, it's going to be also the best option, but I'm going to be using cooking cream. Don't buy whipping cream for cakes, please. Buy cooking cream, yeah, the heavy cooking cream, and mix everything in there together. Make sure you're checking your salt. If it's not there, this is the time you should, be correcting it, and bring it a gentle simmer, and you're done. That's it, bestie. See, it's that easy. So garnish with a little bit of some herbs to bring in that, freshness and good aroma, and you are done. You can serve this with mash, you can serve this with Irish, you can serve this with egg noodles, anything you prefer. Yeah, I know most of you go outside and order for this because it looks exotic on the menu, but I hope this video helps you understand and know that it's actually not so hard to make at home, and you too can do it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload, and I'll be seeing you soon in my next videos. Bye.